All right, Gold's Gym, Anderson Mill. My name is Bryan Miller, one of the lead personal trainers here. I've got my man Terry hanging out today. We're gonna do a couple really good things this afternoon. I hope you're ready to learn. Make this exercise more challenging by taking one shoe size step back at a time and making sure the foot width is relatively close to shoulder width apart. Awesome job. All right, Terry, let's get out of here. Let's move on to the next one here, sir. Well, let's see how many we can get here. Let's get 10 good ones there, Terry. Boom! It's all about lifting that lumbar spine, creating instability, and let's aim for one of those 3 lines. It's not about power right here, but what it is about is putting tension in the proper areas that they're supposed to be in. That's what we do right here as your personal trainers here at Gold's Gym, Anderson Arbor. We want you to know exactly what you're doing, why you're doing it, and the best ways to do them.